And we're back. Welcome to AI TV Cribs, and we're at Ty's house, a 32-room mansion with 16 bathrooms with a prestigious kitchen, only holding the finest fruits. Hey, can we get a look in your refrigerator? Woo! Yeah, look at those fruits right there. And as we proceed to give you what you... Hold on now. Now, as we get to the living room, the guest bedroom is near. It has a jacuzzi in-floor drapery imported from Italy and hardwood floors. We also offer a all-inclusive resort-style swimming pool. Oh, for your tantalizing taste buds, we have a butler that serves you only the finest luxury items. Yeah, go take a walk with me down the hallway. Now here's the studio lounge. Behind these doors holds a multi-million-dollar recording studio. All of the best hits have been recorded here, from Michael Jackson to 50 Cent. Now, hey, Chandra, hold on now. Yeah, girl, go ahead and hit that wall. Chandra, can you take us to the guest room? Now, in the guest room, oh, look at the tantalizing drapery inside of here. It comes with its own individual bathroom and its own state-of-the-art walk-in closet. Yeah, this is the house, baby. Now, come down the hallway and come to Ty's and let me show you how to vibe. Now, right here, this is just our lounging area. Sometimes we have arcade games. Sometimes people can come here and just lounge and vibe and have a really good time. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the kids' rooms. Now, this is a 2-story kids' room equipped with some of the best toys in the world, and they have an all-black marble bathroom. Tasha, goddamn, Tasha. And now, at Ty's house, we have an 18-hole mini golf course, included with the indoor go-kart racing, so whenever you feel like you need to get some of that adrenaline off, come see us on the track, you dig? And then you can calm it down with some popcorn and butter, watching some Michael Bay movies, or go read the book at the library, you dig? Now, come with us around the house. Hey, Chandra, can you take us to the master bedroom? So now, we get to the master bedroom. This is where the action really happens. The motion in the ocean, baby. Equipped with its own private lounge, its own private 2-story bathroom, and also its own private 2-story closet with the elevator. Yeah, you already know, with the fattest Jordans, Balenciagas, and everything you can think about in this joint. Hey, you already know we got that private studio popping on the side. Because what's a master bedroom without a lounge? You already know the vibes. And we got the refrigerator inside. So take a walk with me down the hallway as we go and look at the master bedroom private pool right before we get to the garage, baby. And now inside of the garage, a 120 car garage. Oh, fit for the king like me, you dig? Oh yeah, and these beauties, don't worry about them. They walk around the house all the time. So now we get to the exercise state-of-the-art equipment. Yes, indeed, this is the place you already know where you're gonna go ahead and be free. We got the bowling alley cracking with a resort-style swimming pool, indoor and outdoor, 32 rooms, 16 bedrooms. And that wraps up our episode on AI TV Cribs. We'll see you back next time.